Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about VA/LCD screen.
Hello, Greg.
VA is the abbreviation for vertical alignment. VA/LCD is a negative and transmissive display with LED backlight. The background color is pure black. VA/LCD technology is the only way for monochrome LCD screen to make the pure black background. The color of the letters is the color of the LED backlight, usually white. If we want to display multicolor, some special color films will be added to the bottom of the ITO glass. Normally, if the view angle is 12 o'clock, it can be seen very clear in 12 o'clock direction, 3 o'clock direction, 9 o'clock direction, and the front side. Theoretically, we can add one more compensation film to VA/LCD. It becomes full view angle. Actually, it is barely used because it is too expensive. The maximum COM is 16, so it is not suitable for the large dot matrix and complicated displays. It is a perfect display for the pure black background high-end devices.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.